catches the worm game. So we're going to use our little birdie that is also made with the clothesline clip and a birdie. So what we're going to do, we have some little worms over there. With the mouth of our birdie or the clothesline clip, we are going to collect it using the mouth just like that. Or we're just going to use a piece of grass. And then you're going to take it and put it in our handy dandy bowl. You only have 45 seconds to do so. You ready, fam? Let's go get them worms.
Yeah!
Yeah. Worms did you get?
I have 7.
Okay. I got 8 worms. Kaiden, how many did you get?
I got 7 too.
Okay, twinsies. LA, how many did you get?
I got 9 worms.
You're our winner!
Yeah!